Hi friends!
Hi friends!
I'm Diana.
And I'm Lila.
And today we're going to draw a beautiful crown. Who likes crowns?
I do.
You do? Do you have any crowns maybe that we can show?
I have two, but this is
the one you want to show us?
But I have another one that's only pink.
Oh, okay. This
and
is
it
really
has
pretty.
a heart in the middle.
So we'll kind of use this maybe as an inspiration. I think I like the idea of having round jewels on the very top of the crown.
And the green one is the main one.
Yeah. So maybe we won't make a crown exactly like this, but maybe we'll get inspiration from this crown, okay? So let's grab a piece of paper, marker, pencil, crayon, whatever you have to start drawing, and let's get started. Okay, so we'll start with the bottom of the crown, and what we'll do for that is we'll make a line that's a little slightly curvy, and it's gonna go from one side to the other, kind of in the middle part of the paper, but not like super huge because we have to make the top parts too, okay? So what we'll do is we'll make a line from here to here. Okay. There you go. And then keep going. Oops.
I'll just copy the same thing.
And keep going. I think that's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and then what we'll do is we'll draw a line, a kind of a diagonal line, which is not super straight, it's at an angle, and we'll go from here to here. So I'll draw something like that for the sides of the crown. So we'll make a line like that. Yep. And then not too high, not too high. And then we'll do the same thing on this side, about the same height, going down to this side. Okay. And then what we'll do is, I think I'm gonna try to find the center point going up. So let's find the center point probably somewhere up here. And make a dot, a little bit higher. Yeah, like right there. Okay, so what we're gonna do from this point is we're gonna draw a curvy line. It's gonna go from here to the left point over here. It's gonna be kind of like a U or a backwards J, and make sure that it curves up when they meet, like that.
Hello.
And then go down. Yep. And we'll do the same thing on this side. So I'll go like down and then curve up so they meet, like that. Down and then up, 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 curve up, curve up, curve up. And then they can. Okay, and now what we'll do is we'll make the same type of curvy points, but behind the crown, because we want to make it look like this is the front, and then there's parts in the back of the crown. So for that, I think what I'll do is I'll make a point a little bit here and another point. So in the center.
Yeah.
Kind of right there, not higher than this point, but lower, but that's fine. It doesn't have to be like perfect. Okay, and that's going to be our reference point. So what we'll do is from that point, we'll curve down this way. Okay, so now what we're going to do is do the same thing going to the right, curving down like that. Yep. And then we'll do the same thing on this side. So we'll swing this to the left and we'll swing it to the right.
Yeah.
Going down and swing to the right. So these are like slides, backward slide and forward slide. Okay. So then what we can do now is how about we'll add some jewels for the tops of the crown. And for that, I'm gonna do round jewel shapes. You can do hearts, you can do stars, you can do ovals, diamonds, whatever you want. You can switch them around, but I'm just gonna do round shapes, okay? And Lila, you can switch them around too if you want.
Okay.
Okay, so feel free to have fun with this.
Ew.
And that's the whole point, just have fun. Just enjoy making your crown special and unique. Okay.
Look, I'm done.
See how yours looks? Ooh, fancy hearts. That is you know, I've seen this heart before in one of our other videos.
Yeah, I make a lot of
That's like your signature heart.
Like
how about we'll add a heart maybe in the center of the crown, a big jewel heart.
Like this one?
Yeah, like a big one, okay? maybe with a face too, okay?
Ew.
So let's do that. So let's draw a heart shape in the center here. So one side
Hearts are the only
curving
ones
that
that I
way.
know how to do really.
Yeah, you know how to do hearts really well. And we'll do another curve going the other way. There we go.
Ha.
Okay, and you know what I'm gonna do is make another shape, just like an outline around this heart. And I'll do the same thing on the other side, just a thin little outline around the shape of the heart.
Mine faded right here a little bit.
Yeah, and that's okay. Let's put your hand over here so that your paper doesn't move. Beautiful. Okay, and then how about just a little bit more detail? So maybe add like a leafy shape going up like that. Make a fancy heart shape. And then maybe a leaf shape curving to the right and going down like that. And we'll do the same thing on the other side, to the left and going down.
Yeah.
And then how about a smiley face? So we'll add some eyes, which are just upside down U shapes, and then some eyelashes.
I do eyes like all the time.
You can
because
make-
I draw people all the time.
Exactly, yeah, and you can curve the eyelashes up, or you can just make lines going out. Yeah, and then a smiley face. There we go. And you know what? I think I'm gonna add like a little bit of a line, a curvy line on the side somewhere. So this just kind of shows like it's a shiny jewel. And I think we'll do the same thing actually on all of our jewels. So just like this little round, short curve on the side. Make them all going the same side. Yep. I'm doing them all so it's like shining all from this direction, right? Now does it look kind of shiny to you?
Yeah.
And how about just a few more details? And of course you can add more. I'm gonna make a line that's gonna be on the bottom here. So it's gonna go from here all the way across to here.
I'm making mine straight and only on that.
I like that. Yeah, and then how about some leaf shapes, maybe like something like that. And what I'm gonna do is I'm actually not gonna color in the leaf shapes. It's gonna be like a see-through part of the crown. And we'll make just a few of these kind of leaf curves.
Making a lot.
You can make actually other shapes too, if you want. You can do circles, you can do diamonds, but just,
Can I do it?
you can do that, yeah. You can do other shapes if you like.
Ooh.
I'm just adding like a little bit of decorative detail, and maybe a few more jewels. So maybe like a kind of an ovally leaf shape again over here. So I'll go down this way and like that. Yep, and then we'll do the same thing on this side. And then let's copy that on this side. And then to also make it look like a jewel, let's add kind of like this, just kind of like a really short little line, curvy line that follows the curve of the jewel, yeah? Just to look like it's a jewel.
I'm kind of faded.
Yeah, and I think that's it. What you can do if you want, Lila, and our viewers, is you can add more details to this crown. You can add more jewels, more lines, any kind of pattern that you want to make it even more interesting and yours. So, but at this point, I'm gonna start coloring ours in.
Yeah.
Ready to go?
Yep.
Okay. colored in crowns. Lila, let's see what you did. Looks like you added some details.
I added 2 flowers and I added a butterfly.
A butterfly. Beautiful.
And 2 flowers.
These are so cute. And I love your little hearts. Your little happy big heart right there. That is really cute. So what'd you think? Did you have fun with this?
Yeah.
Yeah? And then here's how I colored mine in. Looks like Lila's is pink and purplish, and mine is blue and purple pinkish and some
And
yellow. Yeah. So the one thing you'll notice is the parts of the crown on right behind here are a darker color, and you can do the same thing. So whatever color you use for the front part of the crown, maybe try a darker color on these parts just to make it look like there's depth, so to look like there's parts behind and parts in the front. We'd love to see how yours turned out. So please take a photo and share with us. The information for how to do that is right below the video. And thank you so much for doing this exercise. We hope that you really enjoyed it. And if you want to see more drawing examples from us, please check out our other videos and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and share it with a friend. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.